My mom is Jonathan's dad's sister. My mom wasn't a writer. My mom actually could have been a concert singer when she was young. So the story goes, Arthur Fiedler gave her a audition at his house, and he told her that she had it, whatever it is, and explained to her what life, and wanted to take her under his wing, and explained to her what life would be like as a professional singer. She did not want to do that, but her voice, um, I don't know, have you heard Jonathan's sister's voice? Well, my mom's voice, my mom can make people weep when she sang. So if that counts actually as early art memory, I guess it does, doesn't it? She used to play the piano and sing, and she was just terrific.